Hello friends, it is Running Kimono and happy Mother's Day weekend. Well, this is a little gift for one of the moms in our family. We're going to go through it. If this might inspire you to, give a little bit to mom for Mother's Day, just to show you what I'm doing. And this is for one of the moms in our family. And it is just a ragtag of items, probably about $500 worth if you would go buy all this stuff for retail. I'm not rich, but yes, I am rich. I am rich because I coupon, and because I coupon, I can afford to just hand all this over. And if I wasn't couponing, I could not afford it. So these are some boxes from items I've been buying recently. So I just decided to fill them up. You could put this obviously in a gorgeous basket or something like that, but I just used boxes because I know all this stuff will be put in a pantry or, different part of the household. So it doesn't need to be dressed up so beautifully. But I'm just going to go through this because I know a lot of you might find this video somewhat interesting. And this is probably about $500 retail again. And I know that the person who's going to receive this will be just absolutely tickled pink. So whatever boxes you're using, these are all from recent purchases. Make sure that they're taped down really well, the seams. And yes, mom is going to get a little goodie from Bath & Body Works as well because I'm obsessed with Bath & Body Works. But just to go through what we have, make sure that everything is packaged really well because you don't want like your Gain detergent to explode in the back of your car or just to roll around. So tons of paper, goods, a whole bunch of stuff for mom. And then we're just going to go through these boxes. Again, I have everything packaged very purposefully so there will be no spills or accidents when you're driving the distance. So we have these super cute dish towels, quarter at Rite Aid, and then these also quarter, and then just these little wipes just to anchor everything so things don't move around. A lot of this stuff, imagine it exploded and started mixing around. You could probably have some sort of like, a chemical reaction in the back of your car, which we do not want. But everything is kind of like items in this box, including all of this clean cult as well. This stuff I wasn't interested in trying, but I thought she would get a real kick out of it because it looks like higher end fancy soaps and cleaners for the home, but everything is packed from the bottom to the top. So this will keep her stocked probably maybe end of the year. It's a lot of stuff. And then this is like the detergent box. Again, I'm using these wipes to really anchor it down. Dryer sheets. This made everything smell so good in the living room. We have these Tide Pods from the Dollar General recent haul for clearance. We have some Gain Flings, fabric softener, and more goodies. And then the Febreze Pets for her fur babies, hand sanitizer, all that good stuff. And she'll be so happy. Final box, all beauty products. Lint rollers. I thought she'd like that because she has a cat. Little Q-tips as well. Just little things, just one of each. It does take a little bit to organize this sort of a package together, but it always means the most, especially if the mom you're gifting this to is very practical. This means a lot more than, a dozen roses, because this will help her bills for the next, probably maybe till the end of the year if she's exceptionally frugal. Lots of toothbrushes too. You go to the store, buy one of those, like $4. These little picks, deodorant, a lot of Dollar General, Walgreens hauls I do. And just like the greatest hits of everything. And again, I'm not rich, but because I coupon, I can do this. And these sort of gifts always mean the most. And if you're going to be gifting from your stockpile, I'd love to hear in the comments how mom loved her gift as well. That would be so cool. A lot of toothpaste. I always try to give 8, so it's like for a couple of months. The different body washes, lotions, and potions, that sort of stuff as well. And this always makes mom so, so happy. And it's really cool to do this on Mother's Day. So guys, as always, thank you so much for watching and happy Mother's Day weekend. And of course, I had to break the Nexus cap because it's me. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye, guys.